You're watching How Leap. Let's find new article ideas using AI. Use AI tools to analyze trends and gaps. First, use SEO tools with AI features like SEMrush or Ahrefs. Input your niche, and the tool will suggest high search volume, low competition keywords and questions people are asking. Second, use content discovery tools like Butsumo or Answertha Public. They use AI to show popular topics and related queries in your industry. Third, use ChatGapt or similar large language models. Prompt it with generate 10 article ideas about your topic for your target audience. It will provide creative angles. Fourth, use Google Trends AI powered forecasts to spot rising topics. Combine these methods to build a list of fresh, data backed ideas. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.